Okay, the next question is from I.S. Subramoniam. He says that I'm an IT professional and we find the employees' engagement with HR is very less. I would say nil. That's his word, not mine. And not just this organization, but in my last couple of organizations, both IT, it was the same. So is it because hire and fire policies that are predominantly followed in by HR in IT? Is it because of that, this disengagement of the level of engagement? How do you think as a non-HR employee, I can make contribution in building this relationship? So yeah.
Kaushik, I will not like to make an explicit comment about IT because of two reasons. First reason is I have never worked in IT myself. So second is
Okay.
I have quite a few friends who do work in IT sector and say, right. I would not like to talk like this. The hire and fire policy exists in IT as it is.
Okay.
I worked in insurance industry, and insurance industry does have a very high level of attrition. Right, that I can talk about. At least it used to be there 5 years back. I don't know how the situation is because whereas in insurance industry, each and every company worth its name were facing extremely high level of attrition. I will not call a hire and fire policy because the nature of the business is such that there's an extremely high attrition, right? As opposed to that, what I hear from the IT industry is, again, like most industries, it is continuum of practices. There are companies, think of it like TCS, Tata Consulting Services. How can something like Tata Consulting Services, coming from the Tatas, would have a hire and fire policy because coming with those kind of strong value systems what they have?
True.
Right?
True. Yeah.
But on the other hand, there may be other companies which are on much more shakier grounds in terms of values, principles, etc., which may take a more like approach like this, right? So all I can say that there is no industry which is a hire and fire industry. There are specific companies who give a bad name to the industry, right? Even if I'm consumer goods industry, there are consumer goods companies who at a specific point in time were called a hire and fire company, right? But over a period of time, even those companies have changed into which extremely solid values and principles, etc., right?
True.
There's nothing called an industry being bad or good, right? It is a specific company at a specific point in time as directed by a specific leader,
Right.
who's giving a bad name to the specific industry.
Right. Those who missed the interview live can watch the full interview on my YouTube channel, The Process Pro Kaushik Majumdar. Now you know the drill. Please don't forget to hit the like and share button. Also, please use the comment section for any suggestion, comments, and of course your question that you want to ask the guest icons.